Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change font in Google Sheets mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document in my Google Sheets mobile app. And then for instance, I'm going to change the font of the first row. I'm going to select them all. And then we're going to click on this A icon. And if you want to change the font, you can go to the format. And as you can see, now I'm using Arial and I'm going to change it. You can choose the font that you want to apply to your text. And for instance, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now as you can see that the font has been changed and I'm going to change the size as well. Oops. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change font in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.